everyone. Now we are going to make a viral laddu payasam. We have 3 cups of milk, 6 laddus, condensed milk, ghee, cashew nuts, salt, cardamom powder and fresh cream. Let's get started. First we have to boil the milk. While it's boiling, stir it firmly. Right now it's boiling. Now let's add the crushed laddus. Now let's stir continuously. The payasam is halfway done. Time to add some fresh cream. Conditionally stir until it's firm and thick. Payasam is almost done. Time to add cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it well. Done. Time to off the stove. Now we have to fry the cashew nuts in the ghee in a hot pan. Then let's add cashew nuts. Cashew nut is ready. Let's add it to the payasam. Viral Laddu Payasam is ready. Yeah, it looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Do try and thank you for watching.